Magandang umaga po mga kaibigan. Today we're gonna be working on the RSX and the Kia. We're gonna go to my friend's house and do some oil change. So we're gonna have an oil change car meet. And ito po my guapong Tito A, fresh from the Philippines. I don't know how fresh anymore because he's been here for a while. But we're gonna grab these tools and some ramps and get started for today. Then po, we are ready to kind of bring all this stuff. So we got oil filters there, we got oil, extra oil for that car, and then these oil for this car. We got some jack stands, and this car we have everything that's pretty much heavy. We got the hydraulic jack, and then we got some ramps and some oil stuff. So yeah, let's get started. I think we're gonna go get some donuts first so we could at least have something to bring to my friends. But yep. Dito na po tayo sa Wind Chills, also called Win-Win somewhere. But we're gonna grab some donuts. You got your coffee? Yeah. Think we're ready? We're ready. Hey, this view looks pretty. All right, we got the donuts. Andito na po tayo sa bahay ng classmate ko, si Anton, somewhere over there. But man, mga 80 kilometers po yung na-drive namin. So in the US, that's 50 miles, and that's about an hour here. And so I know it's a little bit different from the Philippines, but my homie Anton right there, look at that. Gotta find my... Alright mga kaibigan, we're just waiting until the car cools off, and I think we're gonna get started with the RSX first just because it's easier, and then the hard one, which is a Kia. Ito po mga kaibigan, my other classmate, his name is Franco, and he has a RSX as well. Ito na po tayo sa AutoZone. It's the auto parts of, you know, America. Thank you. Let's say synthetic, but get high mileage instead.
I mean, I have a 160 though.
160?
Yeah.
What do you mean 160?
Miles.
Yeah, high mileage. This one's anything above 100,000.
Underglow?
Give me your rights here. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh, that's a nice RSX, man.
I know. Just don't don't film the bumper because it's
Don't look closely.
Yeah, don't look closely at the bumper. Yeah, I have no idea what happened. Now it's even more cracked here. My mom thinks they tried to steal it, but I don't really think so.
No.
They got cracked more here. So
If they're gonna steal the car, why would they go through the bumper? Look how pretty that is. Oh, that looks. Hey man. Ito na po, we're gonna get started on the RSX. I just removed the cap just so that it's easier to flow down here. We are done with the oil change on this car. We torqued the bolt, and we also hand tightened the oil filter. Dang, Tito A is doing some work out here. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're good. All right. There we go. The moment of truth. Sounds better. Alright, Brads. Now it's time for the Kia. This one's a pain in the butt. So I'll just talk to you guys when I'm done with it. Alright, Brads, we finished. We got Franco, his car's done. My car is done. Anton's car is done as well. Thank you for Anton. Shout out to him. He really helped us out. 4 cars have been done today, so that's good. We're gonna go to Costco, eat, and then enjoy the rest of our day. All right. We are pretty much done for today. Franco, I will see you on the flip side. Thank you, Anton. Good looking out. Thanks for today. And my uncle and I, we're gonna go get this baby valve adjusted today. You ready?
Let's go.
All right. All right, mga kaibigan. Jacob is currently working on the car. We're here at Import Life Performance, and if ever you're out here in Lakewood / Hawaiian Gardens, come stop by, tell them Cedric sent you and whatnot. There's a lot of cars here that have been rebuilt, and he's been in the industry for over 25 years, so he's a trusted mechanic, and he's still in the business for many more years to come. Alright, good looking out, Jacob.
Alright, thanks, Sergio.
Cedric.
Cedric.
Yeah, alright, I got you, no worries. Alright, thank you, Jacob. Good looking out. Alright, we're pretty much done. Valve adjustment is good. Kaibigan, we're almost home. 1 hour away, 80 kilometers. You ready? Go home soon. I'll see you in a bit, Kaibigan. We are finally back, mga kaibigan. The cars have been maintained and the valve adjustment has been done for the RSX. Today was a long day, honestly, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's maintenance video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one. Peace.